So hello students, see chapter 6 page 121, topic 6.5, parallel lines and a transversal. So we already discussed about transversal. So a transversal is a line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal. Here you see this is a line M and this line is M. So this L line cuts these two lines at this point and this point. Therefore, this L will be transversal to this both line. Okay. Now see these points you see important corresponding angles. So here you see 1 angle and 5 angle are corresponding. So here you see this 1 and this 5 will be corresponding angle. Okay. Again you see this 4 angle and this 8 angle corresponding. So in this way you see corresponding angles. Which are corresponding angles? We already discussed in previous video about corresponding angles. Again you see this 2 angle and this 6 will be corresponding angles. Again you see this 3 angle and this 7 angle will be corresponding angles. Now see alternate angles. Here you see alternate interior angles. This 4 angle and this 6 angle will be alternate interior angles. Again this side you see this 3 angle and this 5 angle will be alternate interior angles. Okay. So in this way you see this C and D. Okay. Now see assume 6.3, which is at page 122. Assume 6.3. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles is equal. So if we consider this AD is a transversal, okay, then it is said that each pair of corresponding angles. So here you see this angle and this angle is corresponding. So this will be equal according to this assumption. Okay. Again you see this angle and this angle will be corresponding. So it is also equal. This angle and this angle will also equal. Again you see this angle and this angle will be corresponding, and this is also equal. Okay. So now you see assumption 6.4. This is just reverse of assumption 6.3. Okay. Now here you see theorem 6.2. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles is equal. So this PS is transversal to this AB and AD line. Okay. So here it is said that each pair of alternate interior angles is equal. So this angle and this angle will be equal alternate angles. So these two angles will be equal. Again you see interior alternate angles, this angle and this angle will be equal. Okay. Theorem 6.2 important. Now see theorem 6.3 is nothing but reverse of 6.2. Now see theorem 6.4. This is important. Okay. If a transversal 6.4, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, okay, here you see if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So here this angle and this angle, each pair of interior angles. Okay. Each pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal is supplementary. So when we add this angle and this angle, we will get 180 degree. Supplementary angles means the sum of the two angles will be 180 degree. Again you see here in this side this angle plus this angle. When we sum up these two angles, we will get 180 degree. So it is theorem 6.4. So here again theorem 6.5 is nothing but reversal of this 6.4. Now everyone see theorem 6.6. Lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Suppose here in figure you see, suppose this L line is parallel to this M line, and you see this M line is parallel to this N line. So we can say that this N line is also parallel to this L line. Okay. So this is the theorem 6.6, important theorem.